Hey there, today I will be showing you how to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. And here's how. Number 1. Open your browser and search roblox.com/support. Number 2. Over here, you need to fill in the contact information. You can choose not to put your name, but make sure to put your email address. Number 3. And on the issue details, choose the device that used to play Roblox. Number 4. On the type of health category, choose moderation. It is going to bring down another drop-down box. Number 5. Click on that and choose Appeal Account. Number 6. And below that we have the Description of Issues section where you can freely explain and describe your main concern to Roblox. Number 7. After that, you can click the Submit button. Roblox usually replies within 48 hours, so you need to check your email every now and then. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, reaching out to Roblox support is the appropriate course of action to seek resolution. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.